Hi, in this video, we will break down what is inside Rolljak's homepage. If you're a new user, your homepage will look like this. On the left side, you will have all sessions, folders, trash, templates, and onboarding progress. For the right side, you will have your profile, subscription plan, create session, and help and support. Okay, let's get started. All of your sessions in Rolljak can be seen at all sessions. You can separate these sessions into folders or move a session from all sessions to one of your folders. On Rolljak, you can restore your deleted sessions within 24 hours of deleting it. Click Templates to explore more of Roljak's template, where you can start with recommended templates by Rolljak. The onboarding progress will guide your steps to have your way to better engagement. Try these 4 steps to finish the onboarding progress. Update the details profile and check on the box mailing list to get our e-newsletter from us. Share your referral code with your teams or friends to earn and give up to 20 points to every person you refer, and gain more points by creating a live session to get your rewards and new badges. Upgrade your plan to get the most out of Rolljak without limits. Get 40% off Pro Plan if you are an educator. If you have any questions about Roljak's homepage, you can go to the help and support to find the answer. Get rolling with Rolljak!